I span them around, they usually get forward, so.
Hey guys, this is a Casa-blanca Delta. I have another one of these and I've already filmed it. This one has really loud bearings, and a couple of people wanted to see it, so here it is. As you can see, it is missing the nut on the bottom of the motor. So yeah, it's missing the nut on the bottom of the motor. The other one isn't. Well, it isn't missing it, I have it, but it's broken. What else? The 48-inch fan is 85 watts, and it just has bad bearings. That's really the only thing that's interesting about this. They're kind of, I don't know if they're common, but they're low-end fans. So, yeah, I don't really know what else to say about it, so we're going to go ahead and start it on low. This is on the Wattmaster 3-speed capacitor controller. It has kind of high values for memory, and because this fan has a relatively physically small motor, it spins kind of fast, as you can see. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird wobble. One of the blades is split.
That's right.
I have two of these, and I got them out of a dumpster, and they were assembled in the dumpster, and to fit them in the units, I got these along with 3 Martex, and to fit all of the fans in the unit, I had to take the blades off there, and I wanted to do it really quickly, so I didn't number the blades, so they're all mix and match. I weighed the blades from the Martex because they weighed differently on some of them, so I was able to get them pretty matched up, you know, like having the same weight blades on each fan to make it not wobble as much as possible, but it's still kind of probably muddled up. Anyway, moving on to medium speed now. You can probably hear it's really noisy.
Funny noise.
I stopped the tap, but I actually put it on medium speed because it's that's what medium looks like, and now high. And you can hear it's very noisy.
Sounds like my hero.
Sounds like a what?
Sounds like my hero one.
Oh yeah, yeah. I haven't actually heard that yet, I don't think.
Meaning the one I wanted up.
Alright, spin down. What I was thinking, Lachlan, I could wire up a generic 3-speed wall control to an extension lead for you, and then send it over. And then you could have like a control that you can just plug into any fan.
Yeah.
It's just a question of how much it'll cost to ship over. Because I'll get a closed junction box to do it with, and a gland.
Probably like $10 or something.
Probably won't. If I put it in one of those postage bags, because there's nothing in it to really break. If I just put it in a bag, it probably wouldn't be too much. It wouldn't weigh a lot either. I can actually see the canopies moving. The bearings are like jolting it. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Also, I forgot to mention with these fans, I actually polished them when I got them. It's WD-40, so it looks really shiny.
Is it a 52-inch?
I haven't measured it. I've always thought it was 48-inch, but it could be 52-inch.
Looks 52-inch to me.
I'll measure it. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. More videos.